All right, everybody, what a difference a day makes. Just the opposite market that we had from yesterday. Even the S&P's down 60, 70 handles yesterday. They're up 60, 70 handles today. But we got some movers in the market. I'm talking about one with a popular name, Tesla, TSLA. Look at this stock. It's been on a tear, basically at all-time highs, up $22 and change, almost a 5% move, with an IV rank that's relatively low but been popping up over the last few days. And if volatility is low and there's a lot of call skew, which you're going to get a lot of call skew in Tesla. What is call skew? Well, let me show you. Before I get to there, we like to do our trades with 45 days to go, but look at what's happening in February. February 4th has earnings that would affect these February options. There's still plenty of time to do a 45-day plus strategy like February in Tesla, but the strategy I'm going to use, which is a broken wing butterfly, expands closer to expiration. I'm going to go with the shorter dated options, 29 days, Jan 16 options. Let me explain what call skew is. Simply said, an option equal distance away from at the money, and let's all just argue for a moment that the stock is right at $490. It's just a couple of pennies away from that. The at the money options are the $490 options. Equal money away. Let's go $30 away. You'll see the 460 puts are trading for around $13.60. And if you go equal distance away to the upside, which would be 520, look at those options are trading $16. $16 versus $13. That shows you call skew. An equal distance away call is worth more money than an equal distance away put. What does that mean to option pricing for strategies? Naked options are going to trade a lot richer. Spreads are going to trade a lot cheaper. Spreads trade a lot cheaper because that out of the money spread, that out of the money call or put call in this instance that you're buying is going to have a much higher implied volatility. For the reason of this stock being almost $500, to use a lot of buying power with naked options, the only way that I know of taking advantage of this with the implied volatility expanding in February, 59% implied volatility versus only 54 in January, making us not able to do a diagonal or calendarized spread because we're selling much, much cheaper January premium and we're buying much, much more expensive February premium. I think we have to do two call spreads put together. Classic way that we do it is we buy the option that's somewhere around that 25 to 30-ish delta. Why? Because if it has a 25 to 30 delta, then the probability of a touch we can do here is going to be just about double the delta. So I want to buy something that has around a 50-ish% probability of touching there because I want the option that I'm buying to be in the money at expiration, which is 29 days away. Now, this stock has had a big pop higher, so I'm actually playing with a little bit of omnidirectional, slightly bearish delta in Tesla, but I'm going to make my most money to the upside. All right, I'm going to buy the 530 call one time. I'm going to sell two of the 545 calls. Now, look at the amount of buying power here. It uses $14,000, too rich for most people. That would be the play to make 84% pop, 85% pop if $14,000 is not too much for your account. I'm going to play it from a much smaller point of view. I'm going to go out, since this is $15 wide, I'm going to go $30 wide here, so I'm going twice as wide, which means I'm going to go up to the 565 call, I apologize, and buy one of those. So I've bought one of the 530 calls, I've sold two of the 545 calls, and I'm buying one of the 565 calls. They must have just really killed premium because I did this for $1 credit, and it looks like mid-price of 15. Let's go 15 debit. I would not be putting this trade on right now for you. So let me go to the follow page and take a look at this. Go to the bats. That's me up here. Go to Tesla, which I just did this at 10.50 today when the stock was only $1 higher. I'm going to click duplicate trade here. See, I had the 575s. There we go. It's the same one. There we go. Woof. My math was off for a quick minute there. I'm so sorry. Look at how I was able to fix that by just going to the follow page. You too can go to the follow page and get the right strikes because I was wrong there for a moment. My math was wrong. I'm $30 wide, 545, 565, and they really did not crush premium here as I got filled at $1.01. It's now trading at around $1 and change. You too should probably get able to fill at $1.01 if the stock upticks by a buck or so. All right, thanks for the computer for fixing my math. I'm buying a spread that's $15 wide, 530, 545, and I'm selling a spread that's $30 wide, 545, 575. I'm risking two to make one. Here's my max profit on this trade, about $1,600 because I sold it for $1.01. But let's just assume that this spread is worth $15. This spread would be worth $30. That's why my buying a power effect is the, if you add them both together, $1,600 and $1,400, you get that $3,000 in buying power or risk that you would have to the upside. But my risk is only $1,500 because this spread, the 530, 545, would be worth $1,500, which brings my break even to 560. Now, if we look at a touch at 560, there's only a 33% chance. So I'm in the nice tent or the window where if this stock were to go higher and it goes to his expected move around that $50-ish expected move in the next 29 days, it would be right in the middle of my tent of where I make the most money on this trade, which is $1,500. Now, it does have short delta to it. It is a little bit omnidirectional. As I told you, we make $1,500 up here. We only make $100 all the way down into perpetuity to zero. 83% pop. We use a minimal amount of money, $1,400. I got filled at $1.01. You should get filled at $1.01 if the stock upticks by about a buck and a half. All right, everybody. Whew. No making any mistakes when you move your account to tastytrade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy. We're even giving away some money, so check it out by the end of the year. You can do this trade in your IRA account, margin account, portfolio margin account, or any type of account here at tastytrade. Check out all the fine print. But move your account today.